All right, my importers. So today's video is going to be mind-blowing because I'll be showing you how to get suppliers contact of any kind of items you want. Yes, and the good news is Canton Fair is ongoing. Are you aware that Canton Fair is ongoing? When we talk about Canton Fair, it means this is where so many CEOs, suppliers, come, flew all over for their goods. And the beautiful thing is, even if you are not able to go to China because of so many reasons, not to worry. I will be showing you how to participate online and how to grab that supplier's contact of your choice online even without being in China right now. So, and this China Canton Fair, let me just tell you how it is. The Canton Fair is the China Import and Export Fair. That is the Canton Fair, has 3 phases in 2025. So the first phase is started on October 15 to October 19. Yes. So the phase 2 is starting on October 23rd to October 27th. That's why I said no, I must make this video so that it can go viral for my importers to see and also get those contacts, because the phase 2 is starting on October 23rd. So do well to share this video to as many importers you know so they can also benefit from it. Why did it have the phase 3, which will be starting on October 31st to November 4, and each phase has their own equipment that will be showcased. So the entire Canton Fair runs from October 15th to November 4th. So now, hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, and let me use my screen record to show you how to register and everything you need to know. So the first thing now is to go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, your App Store, and download the app Canton Fair. Let's do that now. So you type Canton Fair, you search. So allow it to install if it has not been installed. I'm showing you from the beginning to the end so you see how to do that. So let's see what the Canton Fair is all about. Now look at this first one. This is the official app of Canton Fair. So here you can view the exhibition, you can see it, plus the products, any one of your choice. Then you can also, you can search any type of products you want, and from there I'll also show you how to see the supplier's contact and seal the deal. So like this video if you've not, you can see that simple as ABC. You can see instant. You can also message the supplier, collect his or her contact. So it's very, very easy. So once you open the app, the next thing you see is to accept and agree and accept. Click on agree and accept, allow it to load. So you see this app has been there. The Canton Fair has been created since 1957. So now it's trying to show you how it looks like. What's up? Welcome to Canton Fair, China Import and Export Fair Complex. So you're asked to screen, look around, products. Now you can see. You can see products, you can see suppliers. All right, you can see search suppliers and products. So you see that. Now you can see the phases. This is phase 1, this is phase 2, this is phase 3. All right, you can look at their catalog and everything. Let's skip. Now we are here already. The next thing you will do now is to register. How do you register? You go to this place, you see me, click on it. So once you click on that it comes here. Then you see this login or register. So if you have a login details, you can log in. If you've not registered, go ahead and click on it to register. Now you can see that oversee buying, purchase agent, domestic. Please, now you can log in as this, but now we're going to be signing up. If you don't have any account, the first thing is sign up. Now as you're signing up, as you're registering, you can see that overseas buying, including Hong Kong, sir, just Chinese personnel from. So you're going to be using overseas buying. You click on it, allow it to load. So when it's load, the next thing you will do now is to put in your email, then put in your password, then go to next step. Let's do that. So you click on next step, then you click on your name. Name will be printed on the badge. Okay. Jennifer. Company name. Jenny CEO Enterprise. Then you look for your country, Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. Now click on Nigeria. Yeah, confirm. So if you're in other states, you can click on other states. Sourcing intents. What do you expect to source? What do you want to source? You can pick as many as you want. Vehicle. As many suppliers as you want to get. Click on it. See that as much as you want. Just keep going. Confirm. Then you have to agree. You have to click here to accept cookies. Confirm. Then you click on I have this. I have read and click on it. So you accept it. Then you click on. After clicking on I have read and accept your stuff, then you click on register. Click on register. Now you're going to be doing this puzzle. Good. Verify if it's you. Yeah. So make sure you verify. So now they are logging you in. Now this is it. See that? See my name there. And see buyer. You can also put your picture if you want. Now so click on. So this is exactly what I said. See the phase 1, 15 to 19. Why the phase 2 will be starting? I'm correct. Phase 2 will be starting on October 23rd. So phase 2 has not yet started. The phase 2, when it comes to 23rd now, it will show us different kind of items they have. Phase 3, they also show us different kind of item they have. So but this phase 1, they really handled electronics, and that's why you can see VDM went to keke vehicles and all that, because this was handled then. So let's go to electronics and appliances. Household electronic and appliances, consumer electronics. So you can see it's loading. It's loading. Good. Now you can see that. You can see everything here. So you just be checking any one of your choice. Any one of your choice. So you'll be seeing their exhibitions, what they have. We look at camera. Let's use this camera as an example. Let's view it. So you can see contact for detailed quotation. This is the camera here. Show you everything, where their company is. Now you can see, want to contact supplier. You see that? They'll ask you that. So you'll first look at the product details, every. So if you also want to contact supplier, see this place, the road chat. You can also chat with the supplier. Here. You can also chat with the supplier there. So you can also complete that in order to get. So once you click on suppliers here, you'll be able to view all suppliers. This is already showing, 572 suppliers related to consumer electronics. So you see that as easy as ABC. So in case you have any question, go in the comment section and write, and I'll be there to answer to all your requests. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.